Hello everyone, Amy Hunt, home business expert. What I'm going to show you in this video is just a quick demonstration of uploading one product from different services, or maybe you have a store already on Printful, Printify, or Gooten, and how to quickly get all those products uploaded into Etsy and grow your Etsy store as well. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want videos like these, subscribe to my channel, give me a like button, and what I'd like for you to do is comment below where you're already selling. Thanks for watching, Home Business Expert, and see you in the rest of this video. Okay, so simply, to be able, the simple overview of Sale Samarai. What it does is you're going to upload a CSV table. You're going to take your services, you're going to log into whatever service you already use, and you're just going to go here to uploading and start uploading. So how do you even get started? The first thing you're going to do is create an Excel file. So you're going to have title, description, tags, price, and image. Now you can also do a Google Sheet, but I like Excel files. It's just a little bit easier for me. And all you're going to do is fill in this information. I'm just going to go through and do it quickly. But this information is basically what product you're selling, the title of the product, the description of the product, and the tags. So how do you know what tags to use? This is where Sale Samarai comes in. You're going to go back to Etsy and you're going to plug in the title of the product that you want to upload, or the title-ish, like something close to what you want. And what Sale Samarai extension does is bring up this information that is in blue here. So if I'm interested in selling a t-shirt, Lion and the Lamb, which I am, I want to see the 491 more suggestions it may have and what the popular things are that I can do with those keywords. So basically it's going all through Etsy and it's getting this information, it's gathering it, it's doing all the hard work for you, so you do not have to guess what is working and what isn't working. So if I come over here, I can copy the words, the keywords to the clipboard, I can copy the information, search volume, competition, and the number of words that are listed for the keywords. So if I want to download any of these and they are close to what I need, I would download those and then I can copy those and paste them, and or copy and paste into my Excel file. So I want stuff that's close to what I'm selling. Like, I'm not selling Detroit Lions, I'm not selling a lion necklace, a lion ring. So I'm going to just do some more clicking over here and see if I can find some less competition and some better words. So let's just go up here and target in. So I want to put in here where the must contain words are lion and lamb. So that will get rid of the Detroit Lions. Now I can target in on lion and the lamb. And basically it's going to eliminate a lot of things that don't really pertain to your product. And I'm going to click filter. Now, if I want to limit the competition like I do, I want to put 30 to maybe 60 people and the word count from 4 to 7. So then I'm going to click filter, and now it's going to really target in onto the words that I want. So here is a keyword that I'm going to do: a screen print, art, prints, wall art, car decals, not a watercolor. So then I could download all, or I could copy all of these. So I'm going to go over here to copy checked, and that's what I want. And I'm going to go down into my Excel file and I'm going to click paste. Now, a lot of times this isn't going to work because you can only have a certain number of in Etsy. Price go, you have to find out basically how much your price is going to be charged for from your Printful store, whatever service you're using, Printify, Printful, and Gooten. So I'm going to put $19.99. Actually, let me do $19.97. Now, the image, it can get a little tricky as to where you find your image. So I'm going to go down here into my files. I'm going to show you two different ways that you can get your image. You go on your PC and you go to wherever your image is located. For me, it's in pictures, and then it's in my folder here in my finished vectors. So I'm going to go over to where it is. It's called Lion and the Lamb. You can see it here. Now I'm on a PC. I'm going to hover over it. I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to go down to the properties at the very bottom. Once I click on properties, it's going to actually give you a file location right here. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to go over here in the image tab or image column and paste it. Now at the end of that, I'm going to put a backslash, and then I'm going to go back over and copy the rest of the title and plug it in there. So once I do that, make sure you save that file. Once I do that, it has the location of the image, so it will upload it. Another way you can do an image file, and you can't actually see the image because it's mostly black, is if it's on your desktop, like on the actual screen here, you can drag the ones you're working on, and this is simple. You just go over to where it is on your desktop, you click the shift key and then the right button on the mouse. When you do that, hold the shift key in, you're going to see something that says copy as path. So you would click that. I'm just going to go back to the Lion and the Lamb, and I would paste it just like I would paste it there. But I'm using the other version, so I'm just going to continue to show you how to upload into Sale Samarai. So you're going to go here to Sale Samarai. Now, if you haven't already signed up for Printful, Printify, or Gooten, you need to do that. And how you can do that, and if you need help, is go to the help button. Again, if this is a service you want to sign up for, look in the description below. That supports my channel. But then I'm going to go to Printful, and you're going to follow the directions under the help video. So it's going to show you how to get started and get it all connected and set up. And I'm going to go to that, and I'm going to click that off. Now let's start over here at the CSVs. The CSV with headers is, I'm going to shrink this down, is this file right here. So make sure you have saved that and you know the location, and then you're going to upload that. So I'm going to go CSV with headers. I'm going to go back into my documents, and I'm going to do the Lion and the Lamb. And I'm going to open it, and now you can see that everything I have over on my Excel file is bumped into here. So it's all ready to go. And if you want to do multiple products, you just continue to repeat the process over here in your file. Now the images table, you don't need to put the images table in there because you already gave a location of the image right here. If you're having problems with the images, then you need to load a file that's going to correspond with all the products you list there. I'm going to go to Printful and set up Printful and use that in my demonstration. So I have my store. All right, let me clear this out. I have a store. My Etsy store is set up. Now, this is important. How do you find your shop URL? Okay, so this is critical. How you're going to get to your store. You're going to go to printful.com. And you're going to sign in, and you're going to get to your back office or your dashboard. You're going to go over here to where it says stores. You're going to click on the stores button. And down here is an example of my shop, my Topshopia. I'm going to click on that. Now, up here is where you're going to highlight everything from the and symbol, which is this. You're going to highlight everything in front of or behind, I'm not sure which, the symbol there starting with the numbers. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to go back to Sale Samarai, and I'm going to paste that. That is my shop number, and I'm going to click save. So that part is plugged into there. Now I'm going to scroll down, and you can choose whatever products you want to choose. Now, if you go back to the Sale Samarai extension, it gave you keywords that people were looking for, so you could target it on products that they're actually selling. Like I saw that there were car decals that were selling. I saw that shirts were selling. So I'm going to choose this shirt for now at least. And you're going to plug in the information that pertains to what you want to sell. So for me, I don't want a dark shirt because If you remember, my shirt was very light, so I'm going to pick white, or my print was very dark, so I want a shirt that's light. So now I'm going to check all because I want sizes of my shirt, 2XL, L, mediums, you know, that's standard shirt sizes, XL. Now, this is the information you probably aren't used to. Now, the front print, if you have a front print, just a regular t-shirt with a print on the front, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to put in my image in the front print. Now, if you went and used the images table right here, then you would click on this button. I don't have anything on the back. I don't have anything on the outside, the sleeves, etc. Now, how do you find this right here? What is the mock-up style? So you have to go back to Etsy. I go back, I want to make sure it's exactly the same 2007 unisex fine jersey long sleeve t-shirt. I'm going to go back over to Printful, 2007. I'm looking for the 2007. Right here, unisex long sleeve shirt, American Apparel, 2007. I'm going to click on it, and you just have to go through this process real quick so you get to know what it exactly is that you want to upload. So I'm going to upload this product since I've already done it before. I'm going to upload it. And so basically what it does, I'm going to upload it. Now, if it goes onto a product that's dark, then you have to come back here to your product section and click on light, and then you can see your product. Now, I go down to the button down here in the bottom left corner and I do proceed to mockups. And then what I did was pick out the mockups that I liked and I wrote them in a file so I don't have to do this process every single time. But right here it says the choice of what you can do: a flat mockup, a men's mockup, a women's mockup, flat 2 mockups. So you have choices, and different products have different choices. So you can see right here, all I do is copy this, and if you go back into the Sale Samarai, you'll see down here I have men's mockups. So that's how I got that information. So you would not use anything over here outside of choose data. Now the mockup category is actually the color underneath here. So then once you fill that information in, the title, you're just going to match it to title, the description, and normally this is how it starts off with choose data collection, and then you just have to change that to title, change this to description, change this to tags, and then the price. Once that is done, you go to the tab that says Uploader. You click the service that you're using. I just set up Printful, and then you want to start uploading. Now, like I said earlier, possible problems. The tag length cannot be more than 19 characters. So if that happens to you, what you have to do is go back to your tags that I had here. Remember, I said that might not work, and take away some, really unimportant words that might be in there, and then you save it again. Then you're going to have to go back, clear all, and then upload it again without the tags, and see what you'll see then is that disappeared. So once that happens, I'm going to click start uploading. If you haven't already logged into your Printful account and your Etsy account, you need to do that. And basically you're just going to sit here and you're going to watch the software do its work in uploading products. You don't have to click anything. It's not going crazy. It's just working for you. As you can see, it's filling out information. It's doing all the work. And this is wonderful if you have a ton of products already in Printful that you want to put into Etsy. It's just gonna automate the process and make it super fast. Now, if you get this error where it says picture is not readable, I honestly forgot. At the end of your picture image path, you need to put dot. For me, it's a PNG or JPEG. So now I'm going to have to go back, save it. And this is an error that it won't be able to do your upload because of that error. So now what I have to do is stop the whole process and go back and clear this again and upload with CSV. So it's not It's not a software error, it is a person error. I forgot to put that in, and I forgot to tell you earlier. So start uploading and it'll go through the process. And what's important is once you do that, you have to go over here to your draft. Click on draft and you see it's over here. So once it's there, you have to actually click on it and publish it. Once it publishes, it actually costs 20 cents to publish. Then it's live in your account. So I can go to view my listing and there it is. So it's a fantastic service. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would love a like, and if you have any comments below, tell me what you're listing and the type of products that you're interested in doing. Thanks again for watching. Again, if this looks simple and it's something that you're interested in signing up for, look in the description below. I appreciate your support for my channel by clicking on that link. Thanks again for watching. Amy Hunt, Home Business Expert. See you in the next video.